Welcome to Turkish Rain Academy. Please like, share, and follow Turkish Rain on all social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get right into it. We are still on data cleaning, and in this video, we'll be filling blank status. So, we are using this data set to answer a bunch of data cleaning questions pertaining to this data set. So, the question for this video is: some status cells are empty. How do we fill them with pending? If you notice here, we have an empty cell. Let's delete this one, an empty cell, and let's delete this pending cell, an empty cell. So we have a bunch of empty cells here, and we have to fill them with pending. We could come over here and write pending, come over here, write pending, come over here, write pending, so on and so forth. But that is a roundabout way to go. If we have a huge data set and we want to be writing pending for all empty cells, it will take us an enormous amount of time, and we don't necessarily need to go through all that when there are easier ways to do this in Excel, and I'm going to show you how. So let's dive in. The question states, how do we fill them with pending? The status cells that are empty, how do we fill them with pending? So the answer is over here. We're going to follow this step by step to get our answers. The first step will be to select the H column. Remember, you have to select the cell you want to work on. You have to select the column, row, or cell you want to work on. As long as it's selected, then you can edit it however you wish, or add a function or delete it however you wish in Excel. The second step will be to Ctrl G. Ctrl G. That is, go to reference, then special and blanks. Here we have special. This is the go-to function. The go-to function is to go to a particular cell in Excel. So if you want to put, if you go to like 1022, click OK. 1022 is cell A23. So since its reference is not valid, you use A23. Okay, it will take us to 1022. Ctrl G is to go to a specified cell, or go to a specific cell. And now what the step says is that we should go Ctrl G special blanks. Remember, we have to fill pending. You have to fill these empty cells with pending. So go to special. Go to special is like select a special cell to go to. So if you come over here, I will go to formulas. That's number, text, error. Okay. It will take us to a formula cell where the formulas are. Ctrl G special. It will take, you can click on start, row difference, precedent, last cell, conditional format. Any cell that has a conditional format, it will take you there. Current region. You can see it will highlight the entire cell. What Excel will do in this go-to function? Go-to function is like, if you have a data cell, if you have a data set, and the data set is from here to here, and it's so wide, so voluminous, it's so packed, and you want to go to a specified cell, and you don't have the strength to be scrolling, you don't want to be scrolling through all of it, you just use Ctrl G. Ctrl G will take you to your cell of reference. Like, you come over here, you put the cell you want to go to, you name the name, you want to go to B67. It will take you down all the way to B67. You could even put Ctrl G, and you want to go to somewhere like B800. It will take you down. Look at the numbers here, all the way down to B800. It will carry you down all the way to B800. If you have something, a data set that fills this entire place, and you don't want to go through all the scrolling, you use your Ctrl G, select the cell, specify it, and you can go to that particular cell. So, but that is not the question we are asked. The question is, some status cells are empty. How do we find them and fill them with pending? So we follow step 1, which is column H. We follow step 1, which is column H. Step 2 is Control G, that is go to special, then blanks. So we follow step 2, Control G, go to special, then select blanks and click OK. Now we have all the blank cells highlighted, but it's not only the blank cells here, it's the blank cells outside. So what we'll do is I will click inside this cell, then Control G, special, blanks. Okay, now we have the blank cells highlighted. Then we'll go to equals to pending. Control G, special, blanks. There's no way to put equals to pending here, so what we'll do, we'll use our Control H function. Control H will find the empty cell within our data set and replace it with pending. Then replace all. Notice how everything highlighted was filled with the pending. All the blank cells were filled with the pending. But now we want only this cell and this cell to be filled with pending, not all around. So, but we want all these blanks here instead of everything around to be pending. So what we'll do is Control G, go to special, we'll follow what it said, come to blanks. If we click OK, it will show us everything around. But then what if we do this? Instead of clicking OK, you click Control G, go to special. After we've gone to special, we come to blanks. Now we double click on blanks. So there was something wrong with my Excel, so I went to clean it up. But now let's run this. Our question is, some status cells are empty, how do we fill them with pending? And we've used the first, we select the column, Control G, special, blanks, type pending, Control Enter. So we select column, Control G, go to special, blanks, and then we have this highlighted. All the empty cells are highlighted, and then we write our pending manually first, and the next step here will be to press Control Enter. So you use Control on your keyboard and Enter, and you can see it has filled everywhere with pending, and now all blanks say pending. The reason why the other this thing wasn't working, why it was selecting all those outside, was because of invisible data ranges and changes to the format of each cell. So I had to open a new sheet and rework all of this, and now it's working perfectly. So Control G to go to a specific cell, is a reference cell or a special cell. Blanks to select all the blank cells in the data set, but there's no blank cells yet. Then when you type it manually, use Control A to, so Control Enter, all the highlighted cells will be filled with what you put manually in the first cell. So with that, we've answered the question for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Ernest out.